I'll brush up my hair first. I like to do this when I create really fluffy eyebrows, and since today's look is a little bit retro, so I will start with small strokes and I will follow the shape of my eyebrow, my natural eyebrow. So from the bottom up. Right, and then I like to take a little bit of hairspray and put it in the spoolie and just kind of groom the eyebrows in place, like up. You can use an eyebrow gel if you want. I will just take a fluffy brush and sweep this all over my eyelid. This is just gonna help the eyeshadow stick to it better and also enhance the color. And on top of that, I will grab quickly this Urban Decay primer potion and just put it on the top. It will kind of seal the concealer. Next, I'm gonna take this deep purple pencil and I will kind of sketch out the shape a little bit where I will want to concentrate the purple color like this. And then with the same kind of synthetic brush, I can buff that color in. And this will gonna act as a base for that pinky purpley eyeshadow. And look how easy. Other side. There. And a little bit of there. Of course, if you have smaller eyes, you would use a smaller eye brush. I will also go a little bit here, but I will not line it so close to the lash line, more outside it. For this one, smaller brush. The base is really important since we're going to be using a lot of matte colors. It's important how they blend out. So the first eyeshadow I'm going to take is a transition color. And this can be a really nude, kind of your own skin tone, or slightly deeper. Since this is kind of retro look, I will go a little bit darker than my natural skin tone. And I will place this color underneath my brow bone with a fluffy brush. And this is really gonna help us blend out those colors. Same I like to do under the eyes a little bit. Then with a flat brush like this, I will take this baby blue color in the middle of the lid. And you can see the flat brush packs on a lot of color and it makes the eyeshadow really opaque. So whenever you want to cover large areas, take a flat brush. Other side. And you can see I'm going to placing it all over the lid, but I'm going up to that kind of crease line and not going over that. Here, near the lower lash line, as close as you can. I will take the white from this VISEART palette. It's a matte color as well. And with the pencil brush, I just like to kind of go over and make the blue more light, I guess. You can also take it on the big brush. I'm gonna neutralize that purple that's coming through. Okay, perfect. Next, I will deepen that purple with a tiny brush, and I'm dipping it into this really dark purple color. And I'll first start here, and then kind of enhance the outer corner a little bit. And then I always like to take the fluffy brush and blend it together. And another deep purple color I used with a small brush. And this one is a little more neutral, so it can go all over the crease. Here. I think I will take a little bit of that blue and put it here too. Then kind of last steps, I want to blend it in even more in the eyebrow, in the bridge of the nose, and then with the help of a blush, I will bring it down to the cheeks. And then I will actually take that white and also bring it under my eyes. We're almost done with this look. Next I'm just gonna apply some mascara, and I'm gonna do my eyelashes. I'm gonna apply some individual eyelashes to kind of just make these parts more voluminous, and I will be right back to show you how I do my lips. So lastly, I'm gonna do the lips, and I will take the MAC Cherry lip pencil and I will outline them. And I will actually follow my natural lip shape. And lastly, I will take the lipstick from MAC Ruby Woo, and I will actually pat the color on with my finger. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look. And let me know in the comments if you want to see something more from me. Do you have any special requests? I would love to receive them. And I will talk to you in the next video.